Hello guys, so in this video we'll create one new Elman neural network for PV MPPT. Okay, so you can we'll do it in MATLAB. You can do it in script or command window box also. So we are going to do it in command window box. Okay, after that you can save it in you can generate Simulink block. So you can use it in your PP system or in any other system wherever you want. So whoever came to this channel for the first time, so please subscribe this channel. You are going to get some more videos like this. In our next video, upcoming video, we are going to create one LSTM deep learning network. So LSTM deep learning network for PV MPPT. That will be our next video. Okay, so in this video we are going to create new Elman neural network. So I have some result here. I have some inputs. Okay, first look, I'll show you. I have some training and testing data I have taken already. These are like four. uh, this one is so I have taken voltage and current as input data, and I am doing with 1000 data at first. Okay, this one I'll do with 1000. Total data will be 1000 data, means for voltage and current input data, output also 1000. In between that, from that I'll take 70% data for training and 30% is for testing. So let's put first input. Okay, I'll put it here directly. I'll not like 1000 data means whatever data we can put here directly also, no problem there, or you can select file also. So we are going to put it directly here. So at first input data I'll put for input for training. Okay, this will be input for training input. So here voltage and current data I have input for training. Okay, so this will control. I'll copy it here and I'll paste it here. Okay, so input data for training is done. So now I'll do training data target value, means output, sorry, training data, but this will be also training data but output value or the target value. Okay, that I think you got it. Let's check it. Target output training data. Okay, so this will be also same number. Control O, Control C, Control V. Then testing input data. This will be that 30% data. That 30% data from the input. Okay, rest of the 30% data from input. Target, not target, or testing input data. Testing input data, this one. Control O, Control C, Control V. Now testing data that testing target data. Okay, it was testing input data at first. Now testing, let's give any name, testing target data. Okay, don't get confused. First one I give that input data for training. Second one I gave that output data, means, or we can say target data for training. Third one we give testing data for training, means input data. So this one we are giving testing data for target value. Yeah. Testing data or for output value also you can see. So testing, training, testing, output, training, target, testing. Yeah, this one. Control all, Control C, Control V. Okay, all data given. You can give more data. Okay, means I have used only 1000 data. Here you can see, I think, on LSTM. I will do it in next video. We are going to make LSTM network for PV and PPT. This one is for new Elman neural network or recurrent neural network for PV and PPT. Means whatever data you will take, that only is it's creating the algorithm for that only. Na? So let's create the network. Net E N E W E L M, first bracket. We have to give first min max value of input data. Okay, min max I. Then how many layer? First layer with 100 hidden neuron, second layer with 50 hidden neuron, third layer with 25 hidden neuron, 1 hidden neuron. Last one will be the output layer. Okay, last one will be the output layer. Before that, 3 layer, and each layer has hidden neuron 100, 50 and 25. Last one is the output layer. Now transfer function. There are so many transfer functions available as you wish, what you want to use. Let's use transfer first, then log C point be careful about those things. Transit G, transit mod, purely video. Maybe it will be a little bit longer because like I am doing it everything here. I could have make this one and I will just show you, but maybe while doing I'll maybe face some problem, so it will be much better for you to understand. Okay, or you to code in MATLAB. And now to training algorithm, let's use train the train ICG. There are so many algorithms also available for training. Okay, you can select as you wish. SCG is selected over here, given. Look here. So problem you will face problem like this. So it's better doing like direct practical. What are the problems we are facing? Net dot subscript fee net line whatever. So let us see help for the go to the new argument last. New ELM min max 150. This will be 10 sec. Okay, 10 sec. Okay. So let's do it again. 10 sec log sec 10 sec purely or linear transfer function train SCG. Yeah, no. It's okay, it was just one simple typing mistake. So let's set training parameter. Net dot TRAIN train PARAM dot EPOCHS 5000 training book 5000. Okay, then train dot and time step function PARAM dot E minus 7. Learning rate now net dot train PARAM dot learning rate 0.05. Okay, so now we'll train the algorithm. Net equal to TRAIN train net comma I comma T. So we are training the algorithm with input training data and input target or output training data. Okay, it's running. Wait up, you can see here it will take some time, of course. So its network is training now. whoever watching this video for the first time, or means in my channel, or whoever came to my channel for the first time, I will request you to subscribe. And if you have any kind of confusion or problem, you can comment in comment box. Okay, from this network, means it's not LSTM. Okay, it's not LSTM. I should post this one. Let's cross this one. Maybe you can think it is LSTM. This one is Elman neural network. Okay, so training done. Performance you can check from here. It's just a demo type of video. So let's see. Best training performance 0.01848 at equal 5000. You can save this graph from here if you need to save. Let's minimize it. Training state gradient, you can check it here. You can save if you need those graphs. Okay. So we can save it like, how to save it? Save this entire save. Net dot match, or you can I have already saved in different name, so let's video net video dot match file. Oh, okay, it will save. Oh, name is already given net, so net dot match, you can save it. Save net dot match till save it. Switch expression must be a scalar or a character vector. Aha, I didn't use that one. Okay, now that network is saved, you can use it from there also. You can check it. Let's plot some graph. Okay, so y net L2 net I y underscore net y underscore net equal to net, I guess, input data. Okay, so we'll plot plot. We have saved that I data, input data in one. So now we'll plot the hold on plot y underscore net So I data and y net data. Is it given? Plot hold on y underscore net r target value was chain values comparison. Okay, na it didn't came. Why it didn't came? What it was? No. Check once. Plot t hold on plot school manage. Yeah, it came now. Okay, you can see here. You can save it from here. You can edit it also. So many things you can do whatever you need. So this graph is on in target value was train value, okay, of input data comparison. Error in train, what it will be t minus t minus y underscore net. Error underscore t a in train error in train t minus y underscore train net we have given na y underscore net. And error in train value we collect here. So in error train we'll plot error train, okay, L O T E O R error underscore T R A I N. Now we'll plot error train. It's not coming in on time. Yeah, it came here. Figure 1 2 3 na, it should come number 4 na. Let's run again. Plot error train. It's not coming. Why? Okay, so many other things. It should come. Don't know why it's coming right now. And so many other things you can check. You can check in error in testing data also. What you have to do, you have to minus from that, means you have to you can check error in test testing data plot. You can plot like this, okay, and RMSE value, root mean square value, you can create, you can get after coding also. So many things you can do. So what main thing you need to know here, means you need this train. You have trained this network, but how you'll use in your system model. So for that gen sim net. Okay, you need only this here. So it will create one Simulink block. Automatically it will show one Simulink block, and you can use that Simulink block in your running it in your model. Error train data, why it did came. Yeah, look, means if you have used neural network toolbox, so you can export that model. So same like that, you can export that model, that neural network model that you just create in MATLAB command window. So that model came here, and you can use this uh, network in your model. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I think, shall I need to show you once what I have done from first. So I have given at first input data, then I have create the network. How? Here this line net is equal to NEU new ELM, then minimum maximum value, then layer, how many layer, last one is the output layer 1, and 3 hidden layer with 100 different hidden neuron. First one 100, 50 and 25, and transfer function, then algorithm, training algorithm, then with set some parameter epochs 5000 and time step, then learning rate, then we train the network. Okay, after that we can save the network net.mat. Okay, so we got some predict value here, and so we plot some things. At last you didn't need all these things. You need that how can you generate the Simulink block in for your Simulink model to use gen sim net. Okay, net, because it's used, the net is, this name is given to that network, so that's why gen sim net. And you can use that time step also here, net comma time step, that you need to give. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you, guys. I think if you are going to create your one Elman network or any other deep learning network or neural network without using that toolbox, I think this video will help you how to give input, output, test data, and how to code for training the network. Okay, how to create Simulink block from the code. Okay, so many things we learned today in this video. So thank you, guys, and we are going to create one details video on LSTM network in our next video. So make sure you subscribe this channel so you'll get notified when I will upload the video of LSTM network. Okay, thank you, bye bye.